Hello everyone, welcome back to Gauri Ram's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make fish Koliwada. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. In this video, we are going to see a special chutney as side dish for this fish Koliwada. Now let's start making fish Koliwada. Take 4 pieces of Manjaram fish. Wash it thoroughly and we are going to make a special chutney. For that we need spring onions, 2 cups of mint leaves, 1 cup coriander leaves, 1 small piece of tamarind, 7 to 8 pieces of garlic, small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, 1 big onion roughly chopped and 1 big tomato roughly chopped. Take 2 to 3 strands of spring onions. Add required amount of salt and let's grind all these ingredients together to a smooth paste. For masala paste, take 1 cup of coriander leaves, 2 green chilies and quarter teaspoon ajwain. In a mixing bowl, take 3 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon besan flour, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, quarter teaspoon chaat masala powder, half teaspoon jeera powder. Now add 2 teaspoon lemon juice. Next we are going to add the ground masala paste, 1 egg white, required amount of salt and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix all the ingredients together. No need to add water. I have washed the fish by using salt and little turmeric powder. Now let's marinate the fish for 10 to 15 minutes. Apply few drops of oil on top of the fish. Now keep a pan and let the oil heat for some time. When the oil is hot, drop the fish into the oil. Don't flip it to the other side quickly. Now you can see that the fish has turned little brown in color. I'm going to turn it to the other side. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and now let's serve it with the green chutney as side dish and onions and lemon. If you like this video, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.